Good morning, grade 6 students. I hope you are well. I hope you are healthy, and I hope you are doing good. Okay, for our first lesson in health, it's a very complicated lesson, but I need you to concentrate and I need you to respect this lesson and not make fun of it, because it's very difficult to understand, and I know you are young, but you are old enough to know what is happening in life and how life works. Okay? So please respect this lesson and don't make fun of it. Okay, our first lesson in health is about the reproductive system of humans. Our bodies have various organs, like we have a lungs, we have a heart, we have eyes, a mouth, a nose, ears, legs, everything. But also, men have a penis and testicle, and ladies have a vagina and ovaries and a uterus. And that is what we use for reproduction of humankind. Okay, so that is what our first lesson will be about, is reproduction of human beings. Okay, so as I said, the parts of the reproductive system for men is penis and testicles outside the body. And inside the body, we also have a prostate gland and a urethra. The prostate gland produces the sperm, and the urethra transfers the sperm into the testicle, and if you ejaculate, it goes out of the penis. And ladies, you have an oviduct, an ovary, a uterine, a cervix, a vagina, a vulva, and a uterus. That is mostly inside your body. The only thing that is not outside your body, outer sexual organ from your body is your vulva. The rest is inside a lady's body. Okay, so just for this lesson, our words will be male, female, reproductive, sperm, egg, fertilization, and embryo. Our bodies have various organs. The male reproductive system includes the external part, as I explained, outside, is the penis and the testicle, and inside is the prostate gland. And the internal reproductive system of the male is seminal vesicle and the prostate. And the testes are responsible for producing the male cells, which is called sperm. Sperm is the cell that inseminates the female egg to produce a baby. And they also produce the male sex hormone, which gives male a very distinct sexual characteristic. They also make a very distinct characteristic between male and female. Okay, and now the female reproductive system is very more complex than the male's reproductive system, because they are the carrier of the child, and that includes the following important parts of the female system. The external reproductive system of the female is the vulva only. That's the only part of the female that is outside the body, or that presents outside the body. The internal reproductive system of the female is the ovaries, which is inside the stomach, the oviduct, the uterus, the uterine lining, the cervix, and the vagina. That is all inside the lady's bottom part of her body. The ovaries are responsible for
Sorry, I don't know where the computer muted. Okay. Again, the lady's reproductive system is mostly situated inside her body. The only part outside of her body is her vulva. The rest that's inside her body is the ovaries, oviducts, uterus, uterus lining, cervix, and vagina. That's all inside her body. An ovary will produce an egg once every 28 to 30 days a month. If the egg is not fertilized, it will be excreted or pushed out of the body with blood. It's called menstruation or a period. And if the egg is joined with sperm, if it's inseminated by a man or a male, it will attach to the uterine lining and it will form an embryo, and the embryo will form into a baby. The ovaries also produce a female hormone which gives females a distinct difference between male and female. Males have testosterone. Okay, and now, what do you think is the function of the reproductive system of humans? It's so that humans can survive in this world and so that we can go on and be better. Because if we can't have children, humans will die out. So we need to have children, we need to reproduce. But also there's a lot of repercussions and precautions that we should take. Not to be bad people, because sexuality is not for fun. Sexuality is for reproduction of good human beings. Okay, so here's a few things to keep our reproductive system healthy. Don't have sexual relations at school time. This is a rule. You should not do that. It's wrong. If you go to shower or if you go to bath, make sure that you wash your sexual organs properly every time. So it's hygienic and that you don't get a bacteria or a virus. Wear clean and dry underwear every day. Don't wear the same underwear 2 times. You wear underwear once, then you wash and you put on clean and dry underwear. Never share underwear with another person. Your underwear is your own. If you have any problems with your sexual organs, if there's itching or scratching or redness or something, tell your parents immediately and go and see a doctor, because it can be very bad. Girls, if you have your monthly period or menstruation, bring sanitary items and change them every 3 to 4 hours. Not just because you can be embarrassed, but because that is healthy. You need to keep it clean and you need to keep it healthy. And the last thing, avoid injuries to your sexual organs. So never, boys, never hit someone in the testicles. Girls, never hit someone in the boobs. I don't know what you call this. Never hit someone on the chest, because that can influence the way of your health and the way that you reproduce in future. Okay. Thank you very much. Please, I ask you very nicely, respect this lesson. It is not the easiest thing to do. I understand, but it is very, very important for us as humans to understand what sexual health is. Have a great day, and I hope I see you soon. Okay. Bye.